Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have this Emerson 1995, I think? I don't know what these are called exactly. It's either that or it's a classic Casablanca or something like that, I don't know. I just knew it was probably worth something. This is a tag, Emerson. Either way, let's see, power should be on. Light kit does work. Just have one bulb in it right now that works. This is actually a dumpster save. Not a dumpster save, a curb save. I offered to buy it from Craigslist and the person was going to throw it out, so I literally left later that night to go get it. And this is a 4-speed fan. So, I'm going to go high, medium, low, low. So this is the first low. Very nice static low. So, off, high, medium, low, 2. A little fast, a little more functionable. Low, off, high, medium. Low, low, off, high. I see it doesn't seem like it goes that fast. It probably has a bad capacitor. It does move good air. Sounds like it might need a little bit of bearing work. Oh no, it's a good fan. This fan, however, has already been bought by local Matthew Orat. He's decided he wants this. So, according to my rules, locals get first come, first serve. So, Matthew's going to gain this. So, medium, low, low, off. Still very cool. My first 5-speed fan, technically. 5 speed to count off. So, and I don't know exactly what this is, whether it's an Emerson 1995 or whatever it is, 1985. I don't know what they're called. Or if it's a Casablanca classic or something like that. Or I don't know. Matthew already knows what it is and he wants it, so that's all that matters. White and antique brass. This fan is as I got it. I haven't done anything to it. Only thing I did do was put the light kit wires back together because it looks like they took off the bottom one. I don't know. They just took it apart. It did not come with a mounting bracket, but it did come with the canopy. This is ball and socket. Anyway, thanks for watching.